of what. It's the matter of why the because these guys were having the red signal, right? Why did they even let it be? So yeah. If you ask me what's special today, I kind of have my presentation going on in the college. You know, just some typical engineering stuff. So yeah, I am kind of late and have to reach there by time. So I'm wearing these formals which dude, I don't like formals, man. I don't like formals. I never liked formals in the first place. But yeah, it's kind of like, you know, it's a common dress code. So yeah, you have to wear the formals and stuff. So the thing is, I'm wearing a black full shirt. As you can see, yeah, it's a very common dress code of the formal dress code. But and yeah, I'm kind of wearing chinos for comfortability. Chinos are much more comfortable and versatile as well, dude. You can wear them to the parties. You can wear them anyway, just about anywhere. Chinos are that good. But yeah, it does kind of look good. So yeah, I just went with this particular dress code. Damn. Yes. Now this guy is gonna overtake. No. Hey. And yeah, I kind of think that I should be fueling up pretty quick because yeah, I should fuel up, dude. I should really fuel up. So yeah, I think I'll just stop by somewhere to fuel up. That is, let's see what happens. Yo, damn. God damn it. God really damn it, because whoa. Yo, what? भाई आज क्या हो रहा है भाई? So I kind of just fueled up, but I don't know how long will it last. Hey yo, what? No. भाई आज क्या हो रहा है भाई मेरे साथ? कुछ अजीब हरकतें हो रहे हैं भाई मेरे साथ आज. I mean, the official name for it is BRTS though, but we call it Chigri because it has the name on its side panels as Chigri, not BRTS. Yeah, man, really. Okay. Yo. Actually, you know what? I think these barricades, right? They should be all the way along, and there should be either a flyover or a underpass that should be constructed in between the intersections. That would be very good if they would have done that, but they were like, you know what, पैसा बचाएंगे भाई, पैसा बचाने के लिए इसे बीच में छोड़ देंगे gaps. They left these gaps and माई सेल्फ हैव सीन मैनी एक्सीडेंट्स. भाई मैं खुद मरने वाला था यार एक बार तो. बट इट्स ओके डूड. इट्स काइंड ऑफ ओके. आई थिंक आई मीन दैट कुछ तो सोच के छोड़ा ही होगा ना. So this one day I had bought my scooty to the college, and I kind of noticed one thing which totally, I mean, look, I'll be truthful. I hadn't just what the fuck, wrong way में क्यों आ रहा है? अरे भाई यार कर क्या रहा हो? What? अरे sure. Yes, I'm cooked right now. I'm cooked. Yeah. Yep. Yes. Totally. I get it. Why he flashed though? He was like, "Marega sale," but I was there. Like, I wouldn't die. Oh. Actually though, like, I noticed a huge difference between the cornering capacity of between a scooty and a bike. I mean, whichever bike you take, it might be even if you take MT, right? MT has great cornering capacity. MT, Duke, all the naked sport, they are very good at cornering. But scooties cook, dude. Like, scooties are really cooking because it's because of the short wheelbase. I noticed that one particular thing. It's because of the shorter wheelbase. If you wanna navigate quickly through traffic with confidence, that is, then yeah, you should be cooking on scooty. No cap. Riz मारोगे भाई, riz. No, I'm just kidding, dude. I'm not a chapri though, but yeah, anyways.